Hey guys, so I know this video looks very bland behind me, but we're gonna change that in this video. We are going to take my little office closet into a reading nook, cozy sitting area that hopefully you'll be able to see in some future videos. Now, the wall behind me is where I'm gonna be doing my reading sitting area. And then the wall to the opposite end is where I do my recording for my Heidi's planning, like sit down, top down videos. So that's not really the important side. This is the important side. So we already have a chair that's going to go back here. I already have an end table, a lamp, I have plants, I have all of that. The one thing that I'm missing is paint. So this used to be a closet and had those wire shelving on it. So took those down. So we have holes and patches. My husband just put new outlets in here so that way I have a place to plug in my lamp. So we have a lot of things already done. The next and probably the biggest and most important step is going to be paint. Now, we're going to caveat that I don't know what I'm doing. I am not a creative person. I'm a very black and white, analytical type person. I have zero creativity. So I think I know what paint I want. So I went to Lowe's and I got this Valspar, the best of the best kind of booklet. And it has all the different colors and then kind of what the most trending color within that palette is, what people have used some of the colors for. So I went to the gray because I love gray. So on the gray side, we have this second column here and it has taupe grays, which go good with wood, stone, and warm metals. And so because I'm gonna have plants back here, I'm gonna have warmer type toned wood, I have a brownish type seat, and I'm gonna have plants and all that kind of stuff. I think this is the area I want to go in, and I think I'm gonna go with Secret Moss, which is this gray green color that really spoke to me when I looked at this sheet. My eye immediately went to this. So that's what we're gonna shoot for. We're going to go to Lowe's, we're going to get that paint, and we are going to transform, hopefully successfully, this blank, empty reading nook area into a nice, cozy sitting area that's going to be really nice for videos, for just sitting down and quiet reading. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to go and head to Lowe's pretty soon, pick out that paint, and hopefully get this nice and painted and looking really good. So hopefully everything turns out. Crossing fingers, everything works and everything looks good. And so we're gonna go ahead and head to Lowe's. I have it, I did it, and I love it. So I'm really quickly going to kind of talk to you about what this room is. So this room is half reading, half planning, which is on the other side. I have my like recording space for my other planning channel. So I have like my desk, my extra like top down lights and all that kind of stuff is on that side. But this is going to be like my cozy sit down, maybe do some reading, kind of decompression type room. So I'm excited. So I'm gonna really quickly talk about what I have. So the walls are in like a greenish gray color. It's very like muted, and it reminds me of coziness. That's what this wall makes me feel, just cozy. So we have that, and then we have my little chair. I got this off of Amazon, and it's nice and like plush. It has a little like pocket on the side, so if I wanted to put like my phone or whatever there, I have a little pocket. And this is actually super comfy to sit in, especially for like a long amount of time. My 6-year-old has actually fallen asleep multiple times in here with her tablet like on her table right here. She has passed out completely. So it's very, very cozy and comfy and soft, and definitely some place that you could sit for quite a few hours very comfortably. The only thing that I wish I had, and I might end up getting in a later time, is like a foot rest or something, like a little like just something to kind of put my foot up and my feet up to read. But that's not anything I need right now. So that might be coming later. And then we have my table right here, and I have my lamp, which this lamp I have had for a while. But then I also have down on the bottom here, there's like this little mini shelf right here that has outlets and like USB plugs, so that way if I wanted to charge my phone, I had that capability, which is very like convenient, because I don't have to worry about like my phone dying. I easily just keep it plugged in, or my tablet plugged in, or whatever. And we have that. We have like a little fake plant just to bring in more coziness. And then behind me, we have 2 pictures that I got off of Amazon. They're like metal type pictures. This one says, "Once upon a time, there was a girl who really wanted to own a room full of books. It was me, the end." And then this one in the back, which you cannot see, this one says, "Reading, because murder is wrong." So I thought those were like perfect little add-ons to my little reading nook. I may end up getting back here maybe like a potted plant, or like a big plant or something, or maybe right here, I'm not sure. But I love this little area. I'm so happy it all came together. And yeah, so that is my reading nook. You saw some videos of me kind of getting it put together, and I'm so excited and so ready to start sitting here and doing some reading, doing some videos, and just having a nice little cozy time in my little reading nook. So with that, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!